I hear gardeners say to do this or that until the plant is established. How can you tell if a plant is established? And this is Robin from Memphis, Tennessee. Good question, though.
It's a good question.
So what do you think about that, Jessie? We start with you. How can you tell? Right?
In my mind, and this might be more of a long-term answer for her, but for me, once a plant makes it the next summer, when it comes up after a season, in my mind, it's established, and I no longer have to really do anything with it because I have almost all natives, so native plants can deal with all of our conditions here. Except that first summer when they're babies, they need a little extra TLC, I think. But once it makes it through the winter and comes up in the spring, to me that means it's established.
Okay.
So that's my rule of thumb.
Like
Yeah.
that.
I think one other way you can kind of test to see if the plant has become established is to just give it just a gentle tug. And if there's resistance, that means the roots are established in that soil. If it's coming up, let it go, check it again, another couple weeks.
Okay.
Just a gentle tug.
Just a gentle. You don't have to try to
rip
rip
it
it out. No, I actually like both of those answers. I think those are good. And something else, for me, if you start to see new leaves,
Yeah, absolutely.
new buds growing and things like that, I think it's established, getting to be established. And for many of your shrubs, a year or two. Right? For trees, it'll probably take a little longer.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 to 5 years or something like that. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.